Bring on the red, white, and blueberries. A fresh and fruity dessert, perfect for your patriotic celebration. Heidi Valkenburg with Rhodes Bake N Serve is here with the recipe, and I'm told there is a secret ingredient that sets this dessert pizza apart from any other.
I don't know if I can use the name, but it's like that. Hazelnut spread.
I think it's called Nutella.
Okay, thank you. I worried about that all night. I'm like, can I say that or can I not say that?
I can't. It's a grocery staple at my house,
Is
sadly.
it?
Like my kids are
They love it?
Yeah, everywhere.
Okay, so what I love about this is it's so easy to do and make ahead. So you're gonna start off with your dinner rolls. You can use dinner rolls, Texas rolls, or you can use bread dough.
Whatever you have.
And to get the right amount.
Okay.
And so and then I just let these go crazy, okay? And then I rolled it out. And
might this be a good recipe for the Rhodes bread that has been in my freezer a little too long?
Yes. It's perfect.
Okay, because I know it's not going to rise for Sunday rolls, but it will work for this pizza.
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
Let it thaw. I love that. Yes, that's perfect. So I rolled this out, and this is a 12-inch pizza pan, and you can tell I've got a lot of air just in it already from sitting out here. I'm going to poke this with a fork, and I'm going to stick this in the oven. I preheated my oven, and I'm going to bake this crust. This is where you're preheating your crust for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're going to get this beautiful crust, and it's going to be ready to go. You could make this ahead, wrap it in plastic wrap, freeze it. You could pull out your pizza crust. It's ready to go. Okay? We're going to switch. And then what I did, I pre-baked it, it's ready to go. I added that special ingredient. I put that all over. I stuck it back in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. That just makes it easier to spread the next layer. Okay, I'm gonna let you spread the next layer. I brought my favorite. Look how cute that is.
That's adorable. We all have a favorite spatula.
Well,
mine's not this cute.
I wanted you to have a cute one.
What is this that I'm spreading?
Okay, you are spreading cream cheese mixed with powdered sugar. And it's a half a cup of powdered sugar, and set that cream cheese out, let it get really soft, and then whip it with your beaters, and then that's going to be your next layer. And what I want you to do is, if you've noticed on our display, you want to show each layer because you want to entice everybody to know exactly what's coming.
So don't take it right to the rim.
No, show a little bit of the Nutella, and then you're doing great, Brooke. Okay, so that's 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you're going to put that on there. Okay, so we have that. Now, we're gonna not go over there, I guess.
Why are you laughing?
It's okay, it's all right, it's okay.
I have a spatula, I will use it.
For the sake of TV, I guess
I thought you were moving me along.
I thought you think that half the pizza doesn't need that, but the whole thing needs it, Brooke, but that's okay.
Oh my gosh, again, I'm wielding a spatula. Watch your words.
All right, so strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. So slice your strawberries. I'm lucky enough to have someone that will slice my strawberries perfectly.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
So anyway, and then we can put these, and you just are gonna add these to it. And then our next layer, do your bananas. When you slice your bananas, add a little bit of lemon juice so they keep the color. They look really.
Is that just lemon juice?
It's in lemon juice. And then your blueberries, you can top it, and you can have fun right there.
I will.
So now, what happens when you have somebody that's allergic to bananas, or maybe your cute daughter doesn't eat a lot of bananas? I don't know. Does she like bananas?
One of three.
Emmy? One of three.
Emmy's not into bananas as much, but Penny will wander around with a banana in every
so
hand all day
maybe
long.
Emmy wants chocolate chips instead. Okay.
Sounds about right.
So white chocolate chips would be fun to put on here, or these mini chocolate chips.
Cutest.
I know when it is a patriotic fruit pizza, but I'm just saying, think about.
Chocolate's American.
Chocolate's
American.
American.
The Italians are like, we beg to differ,
It doesn't
but
go with the fruit, but it's okay. We've already added chocolate on the bottom. So simple as that. If you want a fun activity for your kids, you could actually take a cookie cutter, roll this out, and cut them heart-shaped. And make little individual pizzas, pre-cook it, and let them decorate it that way too. So you have a pizza.
I am making this. We are making this, Heidi. This is fantastic.
Really easy to do. Like, we over have fruit here. So.
I love it. And I love when you slice it out, it actually legitimately looks like a pizza slice.
Yes.
Like the crust, the way it's kind of bubbled on the corner.
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, where are we getting our Rhodes rolls? Because that's key to making this recipe simple.
Freezer section of the grocery store. Make sure that when you do this, when you're putting this together, I don't know if I remember to say, spray your pan when you're rolling this out. Okay, don't forget to do that. Yeah. Freezer section, like I mentioned, dinner rolls, Texas rolls, loaves of bread, you can do any of those to make your crust.
And this is just one small way to illustrate that there are so many more things you can make with that frozen dough than just rolls.
RhodesBakeNServe.com. Go there for all the fun recipes, and you're going to have a great 4th of July.
Heidi, we love you. Thank you so much.